Welcome, yeah man, Herbal Laws Extended Family. Yeah man, welcome to another episode. Yeah man, and in today's episode, we want to talk about the tarragon plant, the tarragon herb. Yeah man, and in today's episode, I want to do a taste of the tarragon in tea. Yeah man, because when I do a research, they say the tarragon, have similar savory taste like licorice. They say it have similar savory taste like the star anise seed. So because I have experience of tasting those other herb tea, I want to see if it's the same thing. Yeah man, so why? It don't taste the same to me, you know? I have to chew up even piece of the herb to see if I get the same taste. What I get from it though is the sweet savory, because the licorice, even though it's a bitter herb, it have a sweet bitter taste to it. Yeah? So it's not the same. Yeah, the anise seed have that also, that sweet savory taste. But I think they are not the same. They are not the same. And that's why sometimes you have to do your own test. So that's why I decided to do my own taste. And they are really not the same. You know? I would have said the only little similar is that sweet savory. But they all have their own sweet savory taste, you know? But the licorice have a sweet savory bitter taste. There's another herb that have a similar taste to the licorice. I'm going to show you it. But men, brethren, yeah, the licorice help with prostate problem. Yeah, it can help to reduce the risk of prostate. Yeah man, the licorice. I think I'll talk about it in our next video. But yeah man, the licorice, man health, brethren, yeah, big problem we have, licorice. So Herbal Laws Extended Family. This is a moringa tree. And I would say this is the closest savory taste to the licorice. So that sweet savory taste, that, you know, they say it's similar to the licorice. I'm not getting that taste, you know, because I also have licorice, you know. I have some licorice. Yeah, I have some licorice herb. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what the licorice herb look like. So the licorice is more like a tree bark. Yeah? But if I should taste the licorice, there's that sweet taste, that sweet, savory taste that can come before the bitter taste. But we know we're not talking about the bitter. Yeah? But the licorice have a sweet, savory taste before the bitter taste come. Yeah? But the closest thing to it, yeah, this is the moringa. This is the moringa in the pod. Yeah, and I'm going to take out one. Yeah, so that's a little piece I'm going to taste. And they are still different. They are still different, but the licorice and the moringa seed have a sweet, more sweet, savory taste that is similar. But the tarragon, I nah get that from it. You know, even when I chew up the tarragon, the aroma of the tarragon is more stronger than the actual taste. You know? That pungent smell. Yeah, that pungent smell. But if I should say the tarragon have that savory taste similar to licorice and star anise seed, no. I wouldn't say it have it, you know. I wouldn't say it have it, you know. But I'm saying the closest thing to the licorice is the moringa seed. Closest thing to the licorice is the moringa seed. And the licorice have that sweet, savory taste, you know, before that bitter taste come in. Likewise, the moringa seed have a sweet, savory taste, you know, before the bitter taste they eat you. But yeah, the tarragon, the aroma, you know, the pungent smell, yeah, is what, you know, attract me to this plant. Yeah, but that sweet, savory taste, no. I'm not getting that from it. Nah, get that at all. Nah, get that at all. Nah, get that at all. So in conclusion, I'm gonna taste the leaf itself. I'm gonna taste the leaf itself to see if it have that sweet. Still waiting. It's no similar to me. Yeah, man, and this is conclusion. Yeah, my experience, my savory taste in this episode is that the tarragon and the licorice, they don't have the sweet savory taste, but they have their own sweet savory taste. But the tarragon, the savory taste is not distinct. The licorice savory taste is very distinct, and I'm saying the closest thing that I have around me is the moringa seed that have that savory, that distinct savory taste to the licorice. Yeah, man. But the tarragon and the licorice have similar properties. They have similar antimicrobial properties. They have the antioxidant properties, the anti-inflammatory properties. Yeah, there are similar benefits, you know. They are, I think both herbs are also diuretic. You know, a diuretic is a substance that can help to remove water from the body. Yeah, so I think both of them also have the same, you know, diuretic property, antimicrobial property, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant property. Yeah? So that's the most similar thing about the tarragon and the licorice herb. But both herbs are powerful herbs and have a lot of health benefits. Yeah, man. A lot of health benefits. Yeah, so you can plant your tarragon, you can get your licorice. I got my licorice from lemongrass. There's a tea shop in Devon House. This is not a paid promotion, but I can tell you where I get some of my herbs. Yeah, so there's a tea herb shop in Devon House that's in Kingston, and the name of that shop is Lemongrass. You know, they were established in 2019. Yeah, so you can get teas, herbs, spices, and nuts at this location. Yeah, man. And if you go there, you can tell them last send you. Yeah, they will know who is that. Yeah, just tell them Lord send you. Yeah, blessings. Yeah, and how could I forget? Yeah, man. The inspiration of doing this video came from a new extended family viewer. Yeah, commented on my last video where he was saying, thank you. You have an intimate relationship with your garden. Yeah, man. He's a new viewer, a new extended family. Yeah, and he was saying that thank you. You have an intimate relationship with your garden, you know. But sometimes I like to check out the page. You know, I don't know if this is a YouTube channel, you know, but based on the amount of subscribers he have, I also subscribe to the channel. But what inspired me to do this savory taste video is that when I look on his channel, you know, he's Lloyd Dennis of New Orleans. Yeah? And his channel is Lloyd Dennis of New Orleans, Savoring Life. So I was actually thinking about doing a video on tarragon, you know, and was just meditating on what to talk about the tarragon plant, you know, but way down in the morning, the idea came to me about, you know, doing a taste test of the tarragon plant, you know, and when I woke up, I saw this comment on my video, you know, and when I check out the channel, yeah, I see the Savoring Life. And I say, yeah, this concludes that I need to do the taste test of the tarragon. And when I do a research, you know, it was saying that the tarragon, you know, have that sweet savoring taste similar to the licorice. So I decided to do the test. And in conclusion, they are not the same. They have their own sweet savory taste, but they are not the same. And as I said, the similarities is the antimicrobial, the anti-inflammatory, the antioxidant properties. You know, they may have similar health benefit and health properties, but they are not the same. So, bless up the new extended family. Yeah, like Dennis from New Orleans, Savory Life. Yeah, man. And if your channel is really a channel that you are growing, you can let me know in the comment section, because I already subscribed to it. Yeah, but I could also tell others about the channel. I could also share the channel with others. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so Mr. Lloyd Dennis from New Orleans. Yeah? You mentioned, you know, my relationship with my garden. That's a fact. Now you also mentioned, yeah, man, that's the part I'm gonna go on it. You said, thank you. You have an intimate relationship with your garden. That was the part I was missing. I was trying to reduce my interaction with my garden instead of embracing it as good for both me and the garden. All God's plan. Yeah, man. So it's all God's plan, my brother. Yeah. And when I look on the name of your channel, Savoring Life, it inspires I and I to do a video like this. So if just your channel name can inspire me to do a video, that simply means that there is a connection, you know, in the universe for you to do something with that connection. I can't tell you exactly. Maybe you need to connect back with your garden. Maybe you need to do some videos in your garden. Maybe you need to share the knowledge you have with other people, because someone can learn from you. Yeah, man, and all of this is all God's plan. Because as I said, I was thinking of what I could do with the tarragon pan. The idea came up about doing a taste test. But when I woke up and saw your comment, yeah, man, it confirmed that this is the video I should do. Blessings I give thanks. All God's plan. Thank you for tuning in. I always say I appreciate your presence. I appreciate your comments. Yeah, man. Blessings. Herbal laws. See you in another one. Hope you enjoy a video like this, a taste test. So if you like it, I may do other videos on other herbs similar to this one. Peace.